Hello everybody, welcome back to Mr. P channel. In this video, I will show you how to do basic mathematical calculations in Google Sheets. What kind of formulas you need to write. So the first one is, I have a small list of the products I need to buy from the shop. So I need 1 loaf of bread, 2 pints of milk, and 3 boxes of eggs. So in here, which is D3, in the cell D3, I need to write equals, and now I need to look that the quantity is in a B3, so I'm typing B3 multiply by the figure in this cell, which the coordinate is C3. So I'm going to write C3, enter. So it gives me a result, which is 1 times 56 pence. It's basically equals 56 pence. Next one is this. So just let's use the same principle, equal, which right now I'm looking that I need B4 multiply by C4, enter. So right now 2 times 99 pence equals £1 and 98 pence. And the last one, obviously I can do the same and equal and write all the formula, but I know that basically this formula is fine. I just need to copy down. In Google Sheets, if you click on the cell and you have this blue box, if you drag it down, it will copy the formula above, just increasing the row from 4 to 5 in both these coordinates. So it just automatically calculates B5 times C5 equals 6. So I have 2 pounds times 3 equals 6 pounds. And now the grand total I need to do, I write equal D3 is this, D3, so I'm right, D3, I need plus D4, which is next to the row, plus D5, enter. So the total shopping will cost me £8.54. But that's fine. Well, this is fine when I have only 3, or let's say a little bit less, a little bit more of calculations to do. What if there is a rows and rows of data and you actually need to sum all of them? You won't just gonna constantly pressing D6 plus D7 plus D8 and so on. There is a quicker way. So let's delete this. Click inside and let's write the first formula. Equals sum, open brackets. So right now I need to find out that is, I need this, which is D3. So I'm going to write D3 double comma. And what that means, sum everything from D3 to D5. So I'm going to write D5 equals. So Google Sheets automatically selects all this area and does a sum, and I end up with £8.54. Next is, there is a bill that I need, that me and, well, 3 friends need to pay this bill. We need to find out how many each will need to pay. So I click on the empty cell where I want a result to show up, and I'm gonna write equals, bill is, or value of the bill is in F3. I need to divide by amount of people, which is in G3. Enter. And the amount is £15 and 18 pence. So each person needs to pay that amount to pay a full bill. And the next and the last example is, you have a loan of £10,000 and you already made these payments. So you paid in January 2000, in February paid 1,500, in March you paid 750, and in April you paid 3,000. You need to find out how many you have left to pay of this loan. So let's write a formula equals. First of all, I need to pick up the total value, which is in K2. K2 minus. And now I can do like in this option. So this is K6. So I need to minus K6 minus K7. minus K7 minus K8 and so on, but it's too many typing. It's too much typing. You can actually speed everything up by learning all this sum formula, which was in the first example. So I'm going to do K2, which is my loan, minus sum, open brackets, and now I need to choose the first one, which is in a K6. So I'm saying K2, 10,000, minus everything between K6 up to, and this is, I believe, is it K9? Yes. Close the brackets, enter. So the left to pay on the loan is £2,550. So this formula I will explain again. K2 is the grand total, which is 10,000. I want 10,000 minus all these. So instead of me typing K6, K plus K7, K8, K9, I done this sum from K6, everything up to K9, and is done automatically this. I hope this helps. If you have any suggestions, please leave in the comments below. If you want to learn something, let me know and I will show you how that can be done. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.